Every pineapple leaf begins a remarkable journey, from farm waste to fiber. Fresh leaves arrive carrying moisture, dirt, and valuable natural fibers. Workers carefully remove debris before the valuable leaves enter deep cleaning. Powerful water jets remove soil while preserving the valuable leaf structure. Excess water is removed before the leaves reach the extraction machines. Powerful rollers strip long natural fibers from the tough pineapple leaves. Mechanical separation removes unwanted plant material, leaving cleaner, usable fibers. Warm water softens and cleans the extracted fibers for further processing. Controlled heat removes moisture, without damaging the delicate natural fibers. Powerful airflow cools the fibers and prepares them for precise alignment. Precision combs straighten thousands of fibers into uniform parallel strands.
Automated guides gather aligned fibers into strong, uniform, continuous bundles.
Finishing combs remove tangles and produce smoother, cleaner, natural fiber.
Precision blades cut every bundle into carefully controlled, uniform lengths. Every batch is inspected for consistency before entering final conditioning. Controlled humidity stabilizes the fibers before compacting and storage. Hydraulic pressure transforms loose fibers into compact industrial bales. Automated wrapping protects each finished fiber bale for safe handling.
Robotic arms stack finished bales precisely onto shipping pallets. Finished fiber bales are organized in the warehouse awaiting shipment. Carefully secured bales are loaded. They begin their journey into new products. From discarded leaves to valuable fiber, nothing useful has to go to waste.